My name is Navneeth. I am from Uttar Pradesh. I have recently completed my graduation from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, Bangalore, and I took the admission in JSpiders at the month of September, where I have added with multiple opportunity, like with multiple requirements, and Python was taught by the Niranjan sir, and Django was taught by Rajesh sir, and SQL was taught by Krishna sir, and front end taught by what is the name of sir? Prashant sir. Prashant sir, and it was wonderful experience at JSpiders. Grooming classes and presentation helped me to improve my communications, and it gave me confidence to give the interview, and finally I got. Thank you, JSpiders.